Hi, I'm Brad Dmetruik, owner of DRUMIT Chipping, Repair, and Fabrication. What I found with the concrete industry is they needed a one-stop shop. The problem they were having is that they have to go over here and over here and over here. Everything's mobile. We come to them. We take jackhammers, chip out the concrete out of their concrete trucks. If we notice any damages that need to be repaired, and then I give them a final inspection report. It's a huge need out in Western Canada. I found a niche and there was an opportunity there. My expertise with welding and fabricating and wanting to inspire and motivate people. I hire people out of the treatment centers and give them a new start. After they complete a one-year program and they're ready to start the next step in the journey in their life, I'll come in and I'll give them a shot at taking that next step. I give them a pair of coveralls and work boots and just that hope in their eyes. And 6 months later and seeing the confidence, and it's amazing. When I went to Business Link, I was looking for some help and some advice on scaling my company. I was trying to figure out how to navigate with the SEO, Google searches and reviews and all this stuff that is so foreign to me. I wish I would have went to Business Link when I was starting my business plan. By the time I walked out of there, it felt like 1,000 bricks were taken off my shoulders. And that pressure you have on yourself, that's a big hurdle. I think a lot of entrepreneurs and people beat themselves up quite a bit. They forget to take care of themselves mentally, emotionally, physically, and spiritually. Business Link has supported me by giving me confidence.